Hi, I'm Sam McKnight. I'm super excited to be with you in the Vogue India Beauty Festival 2020. I'm really excited to be speaking to my Indian audience. I love India so much. I've had many trips to India and I hope to get there very soon. I'll be conducting a masterclass I hope you can watch. I'm going to recreate looks that were created at two of the hottest shows for the Autumn-Winter 2020 season, one from Chanel and one from Fendi. The Chanel look is very sort of modern 80s, easy, cool girl. The Fendi is a little more elegant and easy updo. The Chanel look. A misty morning romance, French girls in the 70s, soft, loose and flowing volume, with curly wisps in homage to the Gothic Victoriana of the 1970s. Step 1. Begin by brushing hair through to detangle. Step 2. Using a medium curling tong, take sections of your hair. Spray your section with modern hairspray before wrapping down the length of the barrel. To get a modern wave, when you wrap the hair down, let it gently twist. Don't wrap it flat against the tong like a ribbon. That will give you a rather old-fashioned curl. Hold for just a couple of seconds to achieve a gentle cool girl wave. For your next section, wrap the hair around the barrel in the opposite direction. Step 3. Repeat throughout the whole head, alternating the direction each time. This is one of my top hair tips for beautifully undone waves. Step 4. Brush the hair out. Or use a wide tooth comb, or even just your fingers. Now for the front. Step 5. Spray a light texturizer such as my Easy Updo into the roots. Lightly backcomb at the roots on top. This will give you easy to achieve volume. The trick to backcombing is to take a slim section, hold your hair vertically and place your fine tooth comb a few inches up from the roots and gently push down to the scalp. The aim is to create some soft padding at the roots for volume. Be kind to your hair, there's no need to be too ferocious, a little goes a long way. Step 6. When brushing out any backcombing, use a good brush. and begin brushing hair from the ends and work your way up to the roots as it brushes smooth and tangle free. Use a soft bristle brush to smooth if needed, but keep some texture. Grip the hair at the back to secure your style. Step 7. Use a smaller tong one size down from the one you were using previously. Gently take the shorter hair at your hairline and wrap down the barrel as before, but this time wrap it around towards your face. It will give a soft face framing finish on the tendrils. Step 8. Mist a few sprays of Cool Girl into your waves, and if the hair needs it, add some cream to defrizz. Step 9. Add a beautiful black satin bow. For Fendi, we created abstract asymmetrical sculptures, elegant twists and turns. Brush your hair all back into a ponytail below your crown. This is to get your hair going in the right direction to avoid bumps and get a smooth finish. Spray hair at the roots and mid-lengths with modern hairspray. Brush the hair smooth with your best brush. I love to use a natural boar bristle brush for a glossy finish. Secure with an elastic band. Backstage at shows we tie models' hair with elastic to really hold it in place. For home, good quality hair bands or a hooked bungee elastic is a great way to do it yourself. For a rope braid, apply smoothing cream to your ponytail. Take your ponytail and divide it into 2 or more sections if your hair is super thick. They're both done, wrap and twist the rope braids around the base of the ponytail. Grip and pin in position. And to create a more exaggerated shape like I did at Fendi, add some pre-prepared rope braids and extensions matching your own hair colour. Or not, if you fancy a change of colour. Each girl at the show had an extra 5 hair pieces in addition to their own hair to really exaggerate, but I wouldn't suggest you do that because it would be very heavy. The nice thing about this look is you can twist and wrap as playfully as you like. I mean, you can just twist some sections into each other, making sure you hide the ends, being as playful with the shape as you feel. I'm going to let you in on a secret. The new rules of hairstyling are, there are no rules in hairstyling. If ever there was a time to fall in love with your own hair, it's now. Never have we felt such freedom to embrace all types of hair and all kinds of cuts and styles. Be creative, try new hairstyles and new products, and if it doesn't work, brush it out and start again. Really feel free to try new products and new trends. Try something new, don't get stuck in a hair rut. Most importantly, be yourself, be the best version of yourself and have fun with it.